Good. Like I want to eat them every day good.
Alright, here's all the cars that are parked in the middle of a main road. A bunch of D-bags that are making their own parking lot to come to the Konbini because of the apocalypse. So now we know that the heart of Japan is the Konbini.
I think the Japanese were zombies before and now it's just hell is float over.
Yeah, man, they are parked all the way down, and this is cars are having to just drive around because they're just in a lane.
This is the main road.
Yeah, they're not even pulled over; they just stopped in the lane.
And
It's
put on their
madness.
blinkers, their emergency blinkers.
Yeah, they
We're
can
like-
do that.
This is how they drive in Japan.
It's acceptable.